Hi, to use keyboard with your iPhone 13, we will need to take a look at the upper panel of the keyboard first. Here you can see this Type-C port, so you can connect it to the phone with the help of Type-C cable, or you can check this button. We need to move it to the right side so we'll see the green dot, and now we can connect it via Bluetooth. So let's take the phone, just unlock it first, and now we need to go in the settings. Select Bluetooth and enable it by tapping on the switcher. Now, you should find the name of your keyboard in the list of other devices. In my case, it is Magic Keyboard, and simply select it and it will be connected. Yes, now it's connected because we can see this connected status and we can see it in the list of my devices. So let's try this out. For that, I'm gonna open this Messages app, open Chat with Maddie, and now let's use our keyboard to type in something. For example, hi girl. And yes, it appears on the screen, so everything is working just perfect. We can also add assistive touch button to use it something like as mouse on your phone, and for that we'll need to go in the settings. Here select accessibility, go in the touch, then assistive touch, and enable it by tapping on the switcher. Now we can see this floating button which we can drag anywhere across the screen, and we can tap it to open, go to the home page, trigger the control center. We can go in the device and hear volume up, volume down, and check more features. Also, we can customize it if we select this tab. So let's just try this out one more time. Yeah, everything is working just fine. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.